This is a universal tool combining an axe, a saw, a shovel, a hammer, and a hook. Let's talk about each option briefly. The axe is made of high-carbon steel, optimized for easy log splitting. It's about 8 inches long. The saw is 6.5 inches long, and it comes with a square blade and mounting bolts. The edge of the shovel is sharpened, and foot pegs are built in. The hammer has a milled face, and the shape of the hook is universal. You can use it to pull out tent pegs, remove pots from the campfire, and even open bottles. The tool weighs a little over 4.8 pounds and is made in the US. It's available in 2 colors, black and sand, and it comes with an axe case. You'll have to shell out $285, but it comes with a lifetime warranty. A typical problem on a long hike is having no communication. If you want your family and friends not to worry, you can buy a satellite phone, but they're usually heavy and cumbersome. That's why the American team Somewhere came up with a compact gadget that provides communication anywhere in the world. It weighs 3 ounces and has enough battery power to send around 1,000 text messages. It works via Iridium satellites, which offer coverage over 100% of the planet, including both poles. In addition to text messages, a special app allows you to check the weather forecast, download a map, track your route, and even send a distress signal. There are several plans starting at $15 per month. The gadget itself costs at least $320. You are now looking at the Crossfire Plasma Lighter, which uses an electric pulse discharge instead of the usual gas or gasoline. The product is very useful. Its authors have even been to the Shark Tank show, where they gained the approval of billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban. The lighter weighs about 7 ounces. A single charge will last about 500 uses, for a total life of 350,000 uses. Fuels are stored in a removable container, and the manufacturers offer an option called InstaFire. It stands out for its water resistance and reusability. The body of the lighter is water resistant and strong enough to crack glass or ice with it. Prices start at $60. Next up is a team from Belgium that invented a watch with an SOS button. Imagine that a person is snowboarding in a remote mountainous area. They fall badly, their smartphone has no signal, and there's no one around. In that case, they only need to press the red button and the watch will send a distress signal via satellite network. Several modes are available. One long press will activate a continuous location update to selected numbers, up to 4. 5 presses will send a preset message to the selected contacts, and 8 presses will send the same data to the nearest rescue service center. The watch will last for about a week on a single charge, and it weighs only 1.4 ounces. And of course, the donut-like case is needed for a reason. The watch can withstand submersion to a depth of 30 feet and mechanical impact. The price of the device starts at $332, and you'll also have to purchase a subscription. Chinese manufacturers have designed this compact water filter that fits in the palm of your hand, weighs about 1.8 ounces, and delivers 0.2 gallons of water per minute. The filter can be used in temperature ranges from 32 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The designers note that the filtration system removes 99.99% of all bacteria and protozoa. No batteries or other consumables are needed. You can filter water any way you like, for example, by connecting the filter to a plastic bottle or a hydration pack. And if you're too lazy to fill your container, just insert a straw, walk up to the pond or river, and drink directly from it. In addition, these filters can be used as a part of a home water purification system. The price is about $30. Now, let's go to Canada. The engineers of a local company offer this alarm system. The design is very simple and will come in handy in the following situations. At a campsite for protection against wild animals, when hiking, in case someone's injured and you need to send a distress signal. for protection of personal property and cars as an addition to the main alarm system, and for airsoft and other similar activities. The alarm system can use emergency flares and bear bangers. There are also adapters to use shotgun primers. The system comes with 2 tripwires, 50 feet long each. The system is made of aluminium and stainless steel and is so reliable that the seller offers a lifetime warranty. You can buy it for $69. Surviveware offers this compact splint that you can take with you on a trip in case you need to keep in place and protect an injured part of the body. The outer part of the model is made of foam, while the frame is made of aluminium alloy. According to the manufacturers, the final version doesn't require removal for X-rays. In addition, it is reusable and waterproof. And if you have no experience with splints, there's an extremely clear and simple manual printed on the outside. Measuring 36 by 4.4 inches, the splint is easy to cut and takes almost any shape best suited to stabilize the injured area. At the same time, it retains enough rigidity to help the injured person. According to the manufacturer, it can even be used as a shovel in some situations. The price is $12. The perfect gift for a husband, father, son, or friend, explains the seller of this multi-tool. Of course, as most similar devices from our selections, it features a bottle opener, but there are also other interesting options. In particular, it has a fishing tool and a saw. The model is 7.7 inches long and weighs just over 3 ounces. The multi-tool is shaped like a rod, with each segment hiding a different tool. In addition to the fishing tool, the saw and the bottle opener, a tungsten glass breaker, a whistle, a cutter, a screwdriver, and a lighter are available. This multi-tool is definitely worth to add to your EDC kit. It's never going to be useless, the seller assures. An added bonus is an extra mini multi-tool that the seller includes for free. The set costs about $30. One of the most versatile fire-starting tinders on the planet, the manufacturers believe. They note that the material is so easy to ignite that even a spark from an empty lighter is enough. However, it will burn long enough to make branches, wood chips, moss, and other materials catch fire without any problems. The model is 6 inches long and weighs about 3 ounces. Each stick can be used about 50 times. The soft texture of the material makes it easy to cut, and the outer shell is non-toxic and also burns just fine. The Fire Stick is designed to be used in all seasons and all weather conditions, including rain, snow, strong winds, and it will even withstand immersion in water. The bright color allows you to quickly find it in the backpack and not to leave it at the campsite. The price for one piece is $8. When you go on long hikes, camping trips, and walks, it's not always possible to predict the weather, so it's a good idea to throw this poncho in your backpack to be safe. It weighs only 3 ounces, and it will protect you from rain or snow and keep you warm. The standard package costs $30 and includes 4 ponchos, 2 green and 2 orange ones. The size of the poncho is 51 by 39 inches when unfolded and 4 by 6 inches when folded. It will serve as an emergency blanket in case of need, as the material retains 90% of the heat released by the body. The seams of the poncho are reinforced, and the durable polyethylene allows you to move freely without fear of accidentally ripping or puncturing it. How do you combine the advantages of a tent, an awning, and a hammock? The creators of this product know the answer to this question. Their creation transforms from a hammock into a fully fledged 3-person tent in a matter of minutes. The trick is in the installation system. The construction must be suspended on wires. The recommended height of installation is 4 feet, with a tree diameter of at least 16 inches. It holds up to 882 pounds, with a height of 5 feet in tent mode. A patented anti-roll system is provided to prevent all occupants from rolling to the middle of the tent or towards the heaviest person. Storage nets, an insect mesh, and a rain fly are included. The price is $981. You are looking at a classic all-weather fire starter. This versatile tool for hunters, campers, fishermen, and outdoor enthusiasts weighs 1.6 ounces and fits in both backpacks and pockets. The length of the model is 4 inches. Almost any available material will do for starting a fire. Pieces of paper, wood shavings, dried grass, bark, moss, and even chaga mushrooms. There are several models in the series, and they're produced in China, so the prices are quite affordable. For example, the TRG-031 costs just over $9. It comes with a convenient lanyard to facilitate storage.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.